What's up, YouTube? Got y'all another video here. Today I'm going to be wall socketing a Alpine-type-R 12-inch sub. Never done this before to a sub, but this thing was a decent sub. You know, it has a torn spider and everything. So I'm just gonna blow the hell out of it. I have an old power cable here from an old clock, and I stripped one in, put it into the sub. Should be like 2 ohms or something like that. So we're gonna see what happens here. Shit. When we plug this up, and see what happens here. There's a little touch, so it moves. Here comes the full plug-in. And she's done. Woo, that stinks. Shit. Fried as a shithole. Oh man, that smells bad. That was kind of fun, not gonna lie. Well, there's a blown Type-R. Hope you liked the video. Like, comment, subscribe. See y'all later.